kind of bird that is. Can you get that close to see?
Oh, you can see how close I am.
Are they like hawks or what?
I don't know. I'm not a bird person. I don't think they're hawks.
You got long necks, huh? It's not geese. Like a crane, maybe?
Me.
Is it just those two, or are there babies? I can't tell. I mean, the babies get to be as big as the parents, so it could be a baby and a mom.
I think I only see two of them.
Yeah.
There's a third one off to the left.
There's gotta be a couple of babies and a mom.
Look at them fighting over that food.
Well, are they fighting or is she feeding them?
They're pecking each other in the face.
Oh. Yeah, it's too late in the season for them to be mating, isn't it?
I would think that their mating parts would be in a different part of their body.
Well, I know, but you just think, sometimes you do like a little dance, like, oh.
You see that?
Yeah. It's so funny. I want to. Oh, there's some binoculars. That's the next thing. Next time, I'll bring binoculars just in case. Is there another bird sitting in a nest up, like just up and above to the right, or is that just a piece of?
To the left?
No, like up and to the right.
Yeah, there are three of them. Are they doing to each other?
They don't really sound like they're like super fighting.
Oh. Maybe they are getting it on.
Is it two males fighting over a female?
It looked like one had mounted another one.
Or now are they screaming at the other one? Did one fly away?
One did fly away. So there were actually four of them.
Are they all just facing that way, screaming?
Yeah, they're screaming at the one that left. All right.